This is the NOAA Digital 5000 solar crank, all hazards, weather alert radio, model CR1009 Pro. Comes with a micro USB cable. Comes with a mini carabiner. Comes with the manual. Here is the radio. We have the power button, band button, WX alert, volume, tune. We have a flashlight here. The ports on the other side. You have a USB type A for outgoing charge, and you also have a micro USB port for incoming charge. You have the SOS button. You have the light buttons. You have a hand crank. You have an antenna. The antenna, I would say we're looking at about 10 inches. The antenna is 10 inches. There's a battery compartment here. It takes 3 AAA batteries. So that is odd. If you could see this on camera, let's see if I can get it to focus. It's not a Phillips or a flathead, so I gotta figure out how to unscrew that. I couldn't believe I actually found a bit for this bottom screw here. They didn't make it a regular Phillips head or a flathead. They had to make it some kind of difficult screw. Check this out. This screwdriver, this looks like a Phillips, but it's really not. It's like, how do I say it? It's kind of like the Phillips is in thirds as opposed to quarters. So let's go ahead and see what this battery looks like. Interesting. Looks like there is no battery in here. Now I'm curious. Where is the battery? Interesting. 3900 mAh. So this battery is flat. Let's see if the hand crank works. Maybe I could get some charge. Oh wow, looks like the light came on. Interesting. Let's try the SOS. Light. Low. Off. High. Low. Wow, that light is actually bright.
Now for some observations for the remainder of
weather
Connecticut.
band. Got the weather band.
It was mostly.
There's a solar panel on the top. Reading lamp.